Have you ever wondered how some people succeed, some stay healthy, some build strong relationships, while some people struggle for the same, even though all start from the same place? Today, I want to talk about how small intentional choices, both positive and negative, can shape the life we live. The difference between what you are and what you want to be is what you do. Every small decision you make today is a step towards or away from your future self. It means what you want to be tomorrow, you have to work for that today. If someone is a doctor today, they have spent many years in studying and practicing. If someone is an engineer today, they have gone through many years of learning and problem solving. If someone is a writer today, then they have spent many hours in writing consistently. Behind every successful story, there is time, patience, discipline, and effort that most people don't see. So instead of being pulled in 100 direction, you move with intention, knowing that each choice is a step towards the life you want to build. As if you want to make your relationship stronger, you have to put in extra effort. If you want to stay healthy, you have to walk, exercise, and eat healthy. If you want to expand your mind or your thought, you have to choose book instead of endless scrolling, because nothing meaningful grows without conscious effort. Growth in any area of life demands intention. What you repeatedly choose today shapes who you become tomorrow. There's also work on the negative side. If you focus on negative energy, then the universe will reflect the same back to you. If you constantly think that you are not doing anything, you can't do this, or you don't matter to anyone, then you eventually find those beliefs becoming your reality. Small intentional actions compound over time. It's not about making drastic changes overnight, it's about making consistent choices that align with your highest value. Life doesn't change in one dramatic moment, it changes in small moments when you choose growth over scrolling, effort over comfort, and belief over self doubt. So choose wisely today, because your future is built on what you repeat every day. If this message helped you, like the video, share with someone who needs it. Thank you for watching.